What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines, back with my girlfriend Mary for another taste test. Lately we've been comparing the same brand or same types of foods. Today we're going to try Cloud9. Cloud9 is like a classic candy bar brand here. It's considered one of the more high-end candy bars. It's from Jack and Jill. We got 5 different varieties. These are all the ones I could find at the store. I went to a couple different stores to see if I could find different ones.
High end for me.
High-end. Yeah, I think
for us Pinoy.
I think they cost on average of like 15 to 20 pesos, whereas like a Choco Mucho bar might be 8 to 10.
Yep.
So 15 pesos is roughly 30 or 35 cents. So not too bad in terms of American snacks when a candy bar is like $1 or $2. But yeah, so anyway, let's get started. We'll start with the classic Cloud9. So I guess they might all smell the same. Very chocolatey. Let's open it up. Very like soft. Like very good caramel pull. You want that one? So inside it looks like caramel, peanuts, and nougat. So kind of like a Snickers bar, I guess. A little bit smaller.
For you.
Very nougat flavor. Not many peanuts.
This would be our snacks during elementary.
I kind of like the Choco Muchos just because they have like crunchy rice and they're bigger and cheaper. So like
I think it sounds very typical for us to eat that kind of, you know, rice pops. That's why we don't have like that strong teeth that much because we always eat chocolates.
So what do you think of the classic Cloud9? 1 to 10.
This is 9.5 for me.
9.5? So it's gonna be hard for these other ones to beat it.
Let's try. I haven't tried other out there chocolates than this.
I mean, in terms of all chocolate I've had in my life, I mean, this is good, but I would say maybe a solid 8.0 flat. So it's good. I would buy them again. In fact, we bought a box of these to go to Ilo with us. Well, for her, because she wanted snacks.
For me.
So a box of 10 of these was like 98 pesos or something. So less than $2 for 10 candy bars. So less than 10 pesos each. So yeah, you can't really complain. So 5 for $1. I mean, no, I can't be mad at that. But so 8 for me, 9.5 for her.
9.5 for me.
Next, let's try these. I haven't seen before. This is called the Caramel Nut Crisp. They have a gold variety. We have another gold here. Her name is Mary Gold, so it all makes sense. But this is supposed to be crispy. It's a caramel nut crisp. Do they say what makes it like that? Rich, indulgent, crispy layers of peanut. I don't know. Maybe this is like a Butterfinger in America. Let's open it up.
Depends. I haven't really tried this one.
It does smell peanut buttery.
It's in my nose already. It was like,
This one's a little melted. Here, give it a bite.
It's so hard.
It's hard. It is. It's like their version of the Butterfinger. Not the exact same.
I was shocked. So hard. I like this one.
It tastes like peanut butter, but it's like crunchy. Let's see if we can see the crunchy layers of peanut. If you've had a Butterfinger for some reason is very orange inside, but it's like that.
This one?
It's like they took this but made it extra crispy, like a cracker, but it's peanuts inside.
The crackers are very hard.
Yeah.
If you're a Lola, you can eat this.
And this one is somehow smaller than the last one, but also more expensive.
Expensive, right?
This one was 20.
It's gold.
Yeah, the gold variety has like a little fancier stuff, I guess.
It has like gold bars, I think.
Maybe. So this one I would give a 8.7. Definitely like it better. What about you?
Just 8 because
8?
it's hard.
She doesn't like it.
But I love the peanut though. It's just like when I first tried to bite it, it's so hard.
It's very peanut buttery. Okay, that's good. Next, we'll go with, this is a more common one. This is the overload. This one has caramel, an overload of crunchy nuts and soft nougat. So I guess this is like the regular, but more loaded. It's bigger too.
And I think it has a lot of peanuts.
Yeah. It does smell, actually it does smell like peanuts. The chocolate is less melted too. I don't know if they use a different chocolate. Much bigger, for sure. A lot more peanuts. This is like a Snickers bar right here.
I think it has a like small cracker in it. Maybe?
Maybe? Maybe you can see. Is there a cracker in there? I don't think so.
I just tasted it. Maybe from the other one.
I like this one better.
Yeah.
What about you?
I like this one too.
What do you
Not
think?
so sweet. You can taste the nuts.
And the nougat, both are like much thicker layers.
I bet this is more expensive than the gold.
No,
No?
I think, but it's also like 3 times the size. The gold is only like 30 grams. This one is, I don't know, much more. You can just tell. Oh, this one's 50 grams, so it's almost twice the size. And I think this one's 15. Maybe less.
I could change my regular Cloud9 to this.
Yeah. This one I'm gonna give a. I did 8.7 for the last one. I would say that I like this one better, so I'll give it 8.9. What about you?
I'll have this as equivalent with the first one. This is
9.5?
9.5.
Okay. So she likes the overload.
Yeah.
I do too. They're really nice. Cloud9 has good chocolate if you're here in the Philippines. Sometimes their chocolates are not great. I've had some weird ones. But Cloud9 is very standard, at least to the American palate.
Well, you know, chocolates here in the Philippines are like, it's our usual thing. Like, it's not similar to your chocolates, which are too sweet. So very sweet. He cooks sometimes, and it's very sweet. No, not sometimes. He usually cooks.
I always cook.
He is the one who cooks.
So, okay, let's try the next one. We'll do another gold. This is the gold Almond Fudge. This is another, it was extra expensive for this one. But it has almond, which is very uncommon here. You rarely ever see almond in anything.
Almond, they're very expensive.
The chocolate smells different too. I think they're all the same chocolate, but maybe it's just the other things inside. Maybe it's the fudge, because fudge is chocolatey. Here, I'll give you the first bite.
Smells like with marshmallow.
There is like a crispy bit inside here.
It's like a biscuit. The same with the first gold.
Rice Krispies.
But it's not as hard as the first gold that we had.
It's chocolate bar with chocolate cream filling, plus almonds, plus peanuts, plus Rice Krispies and nougat. So this one is chock full. This is good. I think there's so much happening in here. I don't know what to. There's not many almonds. In America, if we had almonds, you would have like big chunks of almonds inside.
I didn't taste it.
There's so much. I think the chocolate fudge filling.
Maybe they grind the almond or whatever. I didn't taste the almond. Maybe
You can see this whole layer here at the top. That's all fudge and chocolate. So if you really like, you want a dense chocolate. It even smells like chocolate frosting for a cake. And a lot of nougat. See, there's a tiny little bit of nut inside.
that's the almond.
This one's good. I don't like it quite as good as the overload. What would you give it 1 out of 10?
This is 9 for me.
9? I would say this is 8.4.
8.4.
Solid. I like it better than the regular. But the fact that it's twice the price, I wouldn't say it's twice as good. But if you really wanted to go crazy on some chocolate, Like if you're making a fancy cake, you could like freeze this and then break it into a bunch of pieces and sprinkle it on top, or in ice cream or something.
Yeah.
It would be a good little treat. But okay.
He's such a cook. He does have a lot of, inventions in his mind that he wants to cook something, he'll improvise on it.
Today for breakfast we had fried chicken and rice.
And rice, which I really like. It's dry, like Pinoy style rice. Usually the Americans rice does have butter, right?
Kanan sa Panoy.
Kanan sa Pinoy. He's learning every day.
So last one, we're gonna go with the peanut butter. Now this one has pretzels in it. This one has caramel, peanuts, pretzels, and peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
I love peanut butter.
He really likes peanut butter.
Show them the peanut butter we got from the. We got this from the public market. No label, just some grandma who grinds her own peanuts, and she was selling like giant barrels full of peanuts. It's one of the best peanut butters I've ever had. Maybe the best.
And it's worth
100 pesos. 110. So
110.
Exactly $2. We weighed it, and it's right. It's exactly the same weight as you would get in America. So it's a pound of peanut butter.
And it's packed.
It's solid. It's rich. There's no preservatives. It's literally just nuts. There's no oil. There's no sugar. And she said she put 2 different types of nuts, the raw and the roasted in there.
Yeah.
So it's got a nice like roasted smoky flavor. Anyway, we're reviewing that now.
We were sidetracked.
This definitely smells like peanut butter.
Yeah. Peanut butter, not chocolate.
It's amazing how they've all smelled different too, right? Let's try.
Some of them smells like chocolatey
This one's soft.
with marshmallow.
You can see a nice thick peanut butter layer on top. I can taste the salty peanut butter. I can even feel the crunch of the pretzels in there.
Yeah.
Not much nuts, but none of them really had many nuts, except for the overload.
I love this.
Yeah, I like this one's really good, the peanut butter. I think the pretzels, because pretzels have salt on them, I think pretzels go really good with this. Peanut butter and pretzels.
Maybe.
In fact, I have a lot of pretzel snacks in there I should try. I should do a pretzel. There's like the knickknacks, and then there's like a cheesy milk flavor pretzel, and then
Yeah. Knickknacks are like this. Like infinite.
I think this might be my favorite one.
Really? Because it is peanut.
Peanut butter. I think this would be a 9 for me.
He really loved peanut butter because he got 2 of those. And we did buy last time.
Yeah, I
And he
have
got
3
3
jars of
right
peanut butter I'm
now.
working on, yeah.
1, 2, and the one that we already opened.
I just eat a little bit every day, but it's so good.
We're on diet. Charot.
What do you think?
For me, I think this would be the third tie-up with the
Third?
regular and the overload.
Okay. So you like the regular, the overload, and the peanut butter.
That could be my snacks. Since usually I buy this one, the classic one.
So these are probably the 3 most common types as well. The regular, the peanut butter, and the overload. These are the ones you see most common. They're also the cheapest. They're also the biggest. So I mean, I really think you get the better deal. The gold ones are good, but I think these are the best. For me, the peanut butter takes it today with a 9. She has a 9.5 for all of these. So anyway, if you want to try some overload candy bars, guys, try to look for the most common varieties, the overload, peanut butter, or the regular.
Murag regular, gid ang akong taste good.
I have a feeling she's going to eat all these once we turn the camera off, so. Yeah.
He knows it.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again later. Bye.
Bye.
You just recorded it. You're recording, baby.
He added another peanut butter.
Oh. I did. I put peanut butter on top of my peanut butter.
See, it's just not me who's eating. but we're on diet. He uses the knife, and he instead of spoon and fork, he uses knife. American style, Pinoy style, spoon and fork. Oy.
Okay.
Hey you guys. Bye bye.